Imagine you are walking out to your truck on a freezing morning, you turn the key, and instead of that familiar roar, you just get a stubborn crank and a puff of white smoke while that glowing coil light stays staring at you on the dash. That P0383 code is the culprit telling you that your glow plug control module circuit is reading low. And it is a common headache for anyone running a late-model diesel like a Ford, Dodge, or Volkswagen. You see, unlike a regular gas engine, your diesel relies on high compression to make the air in the cylinder reach over 600 degrees to ignite the fuel. But when the metal is ice cold, that heat vanishes instantly. This is where those pencil-shaped glow plugs come in to save the day by heating up for about 10 seconds to give the engine a fighting chance. If your PIM or control module detects a low voltage condition in this circuit, the engine will act like it is having a rough morning, knocking loudly and missing until it finally warms up. The first thing you need to do is stop and check your batteries, because a diesel needs to spin fast to keep that heat in the air, and a weak battery will throw everything off. Then you should look for the glow plug relay, which looks like a starter relay but handles way more power. A great trick is to disconnect the oil temperature sensor to see if the relay clicks when you turn the key. If you are handy with a DFCIOM, check each glow plug for resistance. You are looking for a very low reading, usually less than 0.4 ohms. Most of these plugs only last about 30,000 to 40,000 miles anyway, so if you are past that, it might just be time for a fresh set. Do not ignore the wiring either, because a frayed wire or a loose ground at the module is often the real reason the PISEM is seeing that low circuit signal and making your cold starts a nightmare.